But we're going to begin with the latest on the coronavirus crisis. The number of cases around the world has now topped 10 million, more than 500,000 deaths. At least 1 in 4 of the world's cases here in the United States, more than 2.5 million, and the death toll now over 125,000.
New cases surging in states across the South and West where testing sites like this one have been overrun with huge lines. 31 states reporting increases in coronavirus cases, 23 states showing an increase in hospital admissions. Health and Human Services Secretary Alexander Azar, he is standing by to talk about all of it with us, but we begin with Marcus Moore, who's in Houston with more. Good morning, Marcus.
Michael, good morning. Doctors here in Houston have been sounding the alarm about the number of COVID-19 cases. Over the weekend, a record number of people came to hospitals like this one across the region. This morning, as the number of coronavirus cases in the U.S. passes 2.5 million, hospitals are bracing and testing sites are overwhelmed. 7 states report a record number of new cases over the weekend, including Florida, where families began lining up at the Orange County Convention Center at 12:30 Saturday morning ahead of the testing site's 9 a.m. opening. Arkansas's governor saying increasing testing capability is the most important thing that can be done to fight COVID-19.
We've doubled the amount of our testing nationally. We've got to double it again.
New reported cases are steadily climbing across 31 states.
I'm afraid that the people of Arizona don't really know what's coming in terms of this crisis standards of care.
Over the weekend, Arizona, California, and Texas seeing a record number of hospitalizations.
COVID-19 has taken a very swift and very dangerous turn in Texas.
Vice President Mike Pence speaking at a campaign event in Dallas Sunday where he promoted wearing a mask to slow the spread.
Wearing a mask is just a good idea.
While a choir of more than 100 people performed without them. In Tennessee, where infections are surging, country musician Chase Rice facing criticism after posting this video from his concert Saturday night, just one day after officials there reported the biggest daily increase in positive tests for the virus. Fans packed together, seen singing along without masks. The venue telling ABC News they are now reevaluating the series from top to bottom and implementing further safety measures. The rising numbers prompting more governors to hit the pause button or even reverse reopenings. California Governor Gavin Newsom ordering bars to shut down in at least 7 counties Sunday, including Los Angeles. Texas and Florida going a step further, closing them across the state. This as we learn about new clusters of cases. 85 people testing positive for COVID-19 in an outbreak linked to a restaurant in Michigan. 28 people in one California family infected by the virus.
I felt like I was going to die.
27-year-old Richard Goodeye from Los Angeles says that dozens of his family members were diagnosed with COVID-19, and it claimed the life of his 60-year-old dad just before Father's Day.
So approximately 28 of my family members were infected with COVID. That's including my 2 children, ages 5 and 2, my brother's household, his pregnant wife, their 2-year-old child, and then extended family, cousins, uncles, aunts. There are 28 total.
The virus also claiming the life of a pregnant 29-year-old in Louisiana. Doctors successfully delivering Allie Guidry's baby girl 4 months early before Allie passed away. Back here in Houston, they are at the highest alert level, warning of an uncontrolled spread of the virus. People have been urged to stay home, and if they are out, to wear a mask. And as we look at the days ahead, officials in South Florida have closed the beaches there for the 4th of July weekend. George?
Marcus Moore, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.